From the face you don't know is your girl Jamaican Pineapple TV and Pineapple Rekordz present to you Jamaican Pineapple TV Young Artist Challenge. We have a big bad beat that will be linked in my bio from the 15th of May. So young artists, young talent, life-changing opportunity people. That one is massive, that one is mad, that one is got epic people. Me even over up. Me wish me did that one artist, you know. Me wish me did that artist to take this opportunity. Jamaican Pineapple TV collab with the real Young Joe. People, make sure that you're following the real Young Joe on Instagram. Make sure you're following Jamaican Pineapple TV on Instagram, on YouTube, and also on Facebook. People, 40 seconds of you singing, DJing to the rhythm that will be linked in my bio and also in the real Young Joe bio. Distribution, mixing and mastering by Jamaican Pineapple TV. And if the rhythm, if you're right on the rhythm good, we maybe shoot a video. Then tell me we're better than that. Tell me we're better than that, people. Tell a friend to Jamaican Pineapple TV. With Jamaican Pineapple TV, you can have a life-changing opportunity right now. Let's do this. All the description will be linked below. So if you cannot read, make your grandmother read for you, make your baby read for you, make your baby mother read for you. Don't know. And don't forget to know, go get a big bad reaction from Jamaican Pineapple. No, don't know it, go exclusive energy. I'm out.